Anambra State Governor Professor Soludo has inaugurated the Governing Council for Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University. Members of the council include Professor Chidio Dinkalu, Pro-Chancellor Chairman, Ambassador Bianca Odumegwu Ojukwu, Chief Christopher Ndubisi, Igwe Oranu, Chris Chidume, and AIG Chris Ezike retired. The Senate representatives to the council include Professor Keke Nwozo, Professor Angela Nwamo, Professor C.C. Chukwuemeka, Professor Odumegwu, and Professor Aslem Weke, while the congregation representatives to the council are Professor M.N. Chendo and Mrs. Eukaria Abafo. Government House correspondent Ejike Abana filed the report.
In inaugurating the council, Governor Soludo says that given the state of university education in Nigeria and given the challenges of the times, which is 21st century fast-paced in this digital age, charged them to build an educational system that is fit for purpose. While stressing that he feels passionate about the university, Governor Soludo expressed optimism that the university will become the shining light and the leader in university education in Nigeria, pledging to support the council in any possible way as he has absolute confidence in them.
The Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University is the Apex tertiary institution owned by the Anambra State Government. It is a great pleasure to have these men and women who have accepted this onerous duty. It's a historic one. We look at the baseline of where the university is and where we need to be. I'll say that the primary challenge you have, and that's why I said big commiserations, is really to work hard in regenerating, reinventing, reconfiguring this university to be fit for purpose.
Earlier, while presenting members of the council to the governor, the Commissioner for Education, Professor Ngozi Chukwuemeka, stressed that Governor Soludo is passionate about education, which is why he is making massive investments in the sector. Professor Dinkalu said that the name of the institution resonates and is inspired by enterprise, humility, enlightenment, courage, and leadership, which they will take seriously. He promised on behalf of the council to address basic rest facilities, build a beautiful green environment, and infuse sustainable dignity as a project in the university.
Today, we will begin that project of making sure that idea of rest, leisure, building a community. The university is launching a very ambitious project of tree planting. Colleagues, let's agree to create the most beautiful campus south of the
Secretary to the State Government, Professor Ojukwu, Chief of Staff to the Governor, Mr. Ernest Ezajoi, Commissioner for Education, Professor Ngozi Chukwuemeka, Commissioner for Special Duties, Barrister Beverly Nkemdichi Bazu, amongst others, were also present at the event.